Bali International Airshow 2024 is a significant event in the aviation industry, demonstrating Indonesia's growing role in global aerospace. The event not only showcased the latest aviation technology, but also highlighted the industry's growing focus on sustainability. TVRI World Sesco has the report.
The Bali International Airshow 2024 served as a platform for significant developments in Indonesia aviation industry. There are some business announcements that I would like to mention and highlight that the focus on collaboration and innovation to enhance airport operation and introduces sustainable solutions. Boeing and Angkasa Pura Indonesia, the state-owned airport operator, signed a memorandum of understanding to explore initiatives aimed at expanding airport capabilities across Indonesia. This collaboration aligns with the Indonesian government focus on improving safety and operational efficiency of airports. By combining Boeing's engineering expertise with Angkasa Pura Indonesia's local knowledge, the partnership will involve working closely with relevant stakeholders like the Directorate General of Civil Aviation, airlines, and other aviation players. Faik Fahmi, President of Angkasa Pura Indonesia, emphasized that the importance of achieving global standard for airside infrastructure and expressed his enthusiasm about working with Boeing. This collaboration signifies Boeing's long-standing commitment to fostering Indonesia's aviation industry. Beside Alami, Managing Director of Boeing Indonesia highlighted the importance of Indonesia as a vital growth market. The partnership offers a promising avenue for developing solutions that will ensure the safe expansion of airport operation and capabilities in the country. And the next one is Volt Aero's regional partner Global Sky showcased the Casio electric hybrid aircraft at Bali International Airshow this year, sparking discussion about the new era of sustainable aviation in Indonesia and Southeast Asia. This innovative aircraft offers a range of eco-friendly applications, including regional and business transportation, tourism, and medical airlift. Global Sky's exhibit highlighted features that make the Casio perfectly suited for the Southeast Asia market. The aircraft boosts operational safety with its dual-source electric hybrid propulsion system, the ability to operate from shorter runways at local airports, significantly reduce noise level during takeoff and landing, and lower operating costs due to single pilot operation. Volt Aero will produce the Casio entry variant, varying seating capacity from 5 to 10 passengers. The Casio 330, the first model to enter production, boasts a flight range that could connect major cities within Indonesia in Southeast Asia region. As Volt Aero's large customer in Southeast Asia, Global Sky pre-ordered 15 Casio aircraft. This agreement facilitates collaboration on defining routes and ensuring airport compatibility, establishing recharging infrastructure, and developing a regional distribution network. The Casio presents several advantages tailored for operation in Indonesia and Southeast Asia. Some of these include patented dual-source electric hybrid propulsion system for safety over water flights, low noise footprints for operation at ecologically sensitive airports and late-night services, spacious cabin, and accessible loading for medical airlift, and single pilot certification for business and private owners. These developments at Bali International Airshow showcase Indonesia's commitment to advancing its aviation sector through collaboration and innovation. By embracing sustainable solutions and technological investment, Indonesia is well-positioned leading role in shaping the future of aviation in the region and beyond. And additionally, Etihad Airways highlighted its commitment to the Indonesian market at Bali International Airshow. The airline announced plans to increase flight frequency to Bali and Jakarta for the 2025 summer season. Reflecting the strong response to their recently launched route, this demonstrates Etihad's dedication to strengthening its ties with Indonesia's dynamic and growing market. And again, in the Bali International 2024 Airshow, today once again displayed a breathtaking aerial performances by the Indonesian Air Force's Jupiter aerobatic team and the Indonesian Navy Neptune aerobatic team. Joining them tomorrow will be the Australian Air Force F-35A Lightning II. This state-of-the-art fighter jet is renowned for its speed, agility, and stealth technology. The Jupiter aerobatic team displayed intricate maneuvers using 6 KT-1B Wongbi aircraft known for their distinctive red and white colors. The Neptune aerobatic team complemented Team Jupiter with a different set of maneuvers using 6 Bonanza G-36 aircraft. Both teams have proven track record of captivating audiences at international events like Lima 2023 and Singapore Airshow 2024. And stay tuned for tomorrow's update on the performance of the Australian Air Force F-35A Lightning II, a state-of-the-art fighter jet that is known for its speed, agility, and stealth technology. And that's all for now. Back to the studio.